Hey everyone, this is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC giving you a closer look at the one-piece handlebar mount from Ride Engineering. Alright, so today we're giving you a closer look at the one-piece handlebar mounts coming from Ride Engineering. Now Ride Engineering is a company out of California, definitely known for making very high quality parts. And if you ask me, this is one aftermarket part that in my opinion is well worth the investment, and I'll explain why. So I'm sure a lot of you have been there, myself included. You've got your stock handlebar clamps. Now if you have a crash or something as simple as a tip over, you get up, you look, your handlebars are twisted. Now it's not the end of the world if you have to straighten your handlebars out, but if you're in a race situation where time is precious, well yeah, you don't want to have to take that extra time to straighten out your bars, and if it's something as simple as a tip over, it can start to get a little bit of annoying. So if that is where you have been and you want to do away with that, here is your solution. So with these one-piece handlebar clamps, first of all, very high quality. They're made from our high quality aircraft grade aluminum. And as you notice, your two bottom clamps are going to be separate pieces, but the upper clamp is one piece design. And the reason this is so important is because that gives a lot more torsional resistance. So by having that one piece clamp up on top, if you do have a crash or a tip over, it's not very likely that your handlebars are going to twist when you have these clamps installed. So if you want to do away with that worry, this is your solution. Yes, they're going to be a little bit pricier. They're going to be around $100 or a little bit less, but like I said, I think they're worth the investment. And what I like too is you can see on the top, you do have 4 bolts on each side, so a total of 8 holding these down, so you don't need to worry about your bars rotating as long as you got these nice and snug. And also you're going to see on the top that you do have these cutouts here. So these are actually there to help you align your handlebars. You'll notice with handlebars, they have markings on them so you can get the forward and back position correct. Also make sure that they're even as far as side to side. So you use these cutouts to get those markings correct. And once you have that done, you're ready to rock and roll. Also, keep in mind, you're gonna have 6 millimeters of adjustability with these. So depending on the orientation, so if you have them facing forward, or if you were to flip them around, they will either be 6 millimeters forward or back. So once you get them, just install them, try them the different ways, and if you just find out which is gonna be more comfortable for you, because it's gonna come down to rider preference at that point. But there they are. Those are the one-piece handlebar clamps coming from Ride Engineering. Again, if you're looking for a way to prevent your handlebars from twisting, if you have a crash or just a tip over, here is your solution. Now, when you pick these up, just keep in mind they are machine specific. So you wanna make sure you enter the make, the model, and the year of your bike to ensure that you get proper fitment. They have these for 1 1/8 handlebars, oversized or fat bars is sometimes what they're called. They also do make them for 7/8 as well. To pick up your set, just click on the link at the end of this video. If you like this little product spotlight, well, do not hesitate. Give it a thumbs up, get subscribed to our YouTube channel. That's gonna keep you up to date on the latest gear guides, product reviews like you saw today, and how-to videos that we're constantly rolling out. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.